Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the vessel control system for Mnemosyne. If you've already created an account and chosen a vessel with which to explore Mnemosyne, you may skip ahead to our later videos. Without further ado, I would recommend if you're in an environment where loud noises or music are not permissible, that you mute the audio. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be hiding any hint pop-ups, but I recommend that you use them your first time using this system. If you encounter any issues or bugs, you can click the Send Feedback button to submit your feedback. And if you miss anything in the hint pop-ups and need to reset them to the original state, you can click this button to do so as well. I'm going to go ahead and press Enter. We'll be prompted to give an account name. I would avoid using your real name or any personal information or anything else sensitive, as this name may be used in communications. Submit, and assuming that the name is not taken, you'll be prompted to create an account with that name. You'll need to give that account a password. The password must be at least 8 characters. There are no other requirements, but please do not reuse passwords from sensitive spaces such as your banking website. You can choose a password you'll remember or use a password manager. You'll be asked to confirm the password. At this stage in the development of the vessel access system for Mnemosyne, you'll have been given a passphrase to use. If you're watching this video and you do not have a passphrase, you may use the following passphrase attack. It does not matter if it is all capitalized or not. Simply submit this passphrase and you'll be allowed into the next step. You'll be asked to choose a name for your vessel. This will be used in the world of Mnemosyne to represent you as you move about and explore. In this case, we have a random name that's been generated for us. If we're having trouble coming up with a name, you can continue to generate random names, or you can type in your own. It'll ask to confirm. Go ahead. In Mnemosyne, each vessel has a background that it came from. When we're first starting, we'll only have the choice of these 4 backgrounds, but as we prove ourselves, we will have more options in the future. I can scroll through each option and see a short description of what that background is about. If I want to see more about any of these backgrounds, I may select it, see some statistics about its attributes and skills, see any feats it might have, which are special abilities. We will cover those in a later video, and see its current reputation, as well as its appearance. Once I have found one that appeals to me, I can go ahead and hit confirm. And now we have successfully logged in through the vessel access portal. We can control our vessel, move it around in the world of Mnemosyne, and start exploring. See you in the next video.